Clearing out unwanted items from your home, office, or property can be a daunting task. Fortunately, professional junk removal services in Austin make the process quick, efficient, and stress-free. Whether you're decluttering your garage, renovating your home, or managing a business cleanup, knowing what to expect from start to finish can help you plan and make the most of your junk removal service. Here's a step-by-step guide to what you can expect during the junk removal process in Austin. Initial contact and scheduling. The first step in any junk removal project is reaching out to a professional service. Most junk removal companies in Austin make this process easy with multiple contact options, including phone calls, online forms, or even text messaging. What to expect during this step? Free quote. Many companies offer a free, no-obligation estimate based on the type and volume of items to be removed. Some may provide quotes over the phone, while others prefer an in-person assessment for accuracy. Flexible scheduling. Choose a date and time that works best for you. Many companies in Austin offer same-day or next-day services for urgent needs. Transparent pricing. Expect clear and upfront pricing, so you know what the service will cost before the work begins. Once your appointment is scheduled, the company will provide you with details about the process and confirm the date and time. Arrival and assessment. On the scheduled day, the junk removal team will arrive at your location, typically within a designated time window. They'll begin with a quick assessment of the items to be removed to confirm the quote. Here's what happens during this step. Punctual arrival. Professional services prioritize timeliness to respect your schedule. Friendly introductions. The crew will introduce themselves and ensure you're comfortable with the process. Final quote confirmation. After assessing the volume and type of junk, they'll confirm the cost and get your approval before starting the work. The team's professionalism and transparency ensure you feel confident in proceeding with the service. Junk removal process. Once the quote is approved, the team will get to work. This is where the heavy lifting happens, and the professionals ensure the process is quick, safe, and efficient. What to expect during junk removal? Safe handling. The team will carefully remove items, ensuring no damage to your property. All-inclusive service. Whether it's furniture, appliances, yard waste, or construction debris, the crew handles all types of junk. Environmentally friendly practices. Recyclable materials are separated, and usable items may be donated to local charities. The team will handle all the lifting, loading, and transportation, so you don't have to lift a finger. Thorough cleanup. After all the junk is removed, the crew will clean up the area to leave your space spotless. This extra step ensures that you can immediately enjoy your newly decluttered environment. Expect the following during the cleanup phase. Debris removal. The team will sweep and clear away any leftover dust or debris. Attention to detail. They'll ensure no junk is left behind, leaving the area completely clean. Customer satisfaction check. Before they leave, the team will confirm that you're satisfied with the service. This commitment to cleanliness sets professional junk removal services apart, giving you a polished result. Eco-friendly disposal. A reputable junk removal company in Austin prioritizes environmentally responsible disposal practices. Once the items are removed from your property, the company ensures they're disposed of properly. Here's how your junk is handled. Recycling. Materials like metal, paper, and electronics are sent to recycling facilities. Donations. Usable items, such as furniture or appliances, are donated to local charities or non-profits. Safe disposal. Hazardous materials are disposed of in compliance with local regulations. By choosing a professional service with eco-friendly practices, you're contributing to a greener Austin. Payment and follow-up. After the job is complete, you'll make payment for the service. Most companies offer convenient payment options, including cash, credit cards, or digital payments. What to expect during this step? Flexible payment options. Choose the method that works best for you. Invoice or receipt. Receive documentation for the service, which is especially useful for businesses or tax purposes. Follow up. Some companies may follow up to ensure your satisfaction or offer discounts for future services. This final step wraps up the process, leaving you with a decluttered space and peace of mind. Conclusion. Professional junk removal services in Austin simplify the process of clearing out unwanted items, providing a hassle-free experience from start to finish. From convenient scheduling and transparent pricing to efficient removal and eco-friendly disposal, you can expect a seamless service tailored to your needs. If you're ready to tackle your junk removal project, contact a trusted Austin junk removal company today. Their professional approach ensures your space is cleared quickly, responsibly, and to your complete satisfaction, leaving you free to enjoy a clutter-free environment.